Hello, welcome to the Mark Janard Show, the cybersecurity show. Forgive me, I'm a little under the weather, but we're gonna make this work. So Windows apparently is getting rid of something in regards to Androids in 2025. Wow, we have Apple versus EU. Now we have Microsoft and Android. So in this video, I'm gonna break down what they are ending in regards to Android. So without further ado, let's get right into it. We're going dark. Microsoft is ending support for its Android subsystem in Windows 11 next year. The software giant first announced it was bringing Android apps to Windows 11 with Amazon's App Store nearly 3 years ago, but this Windows subsystem for Android will now be deprecated starting March 5th, 2025. We have a statement and it reads, Microsoft is ending support for the Windows subsystem for Android, WSA. And that reads a new supported document from Microsoft. Please take a moment to hit the subscribe button and the like button. Please take a moment to hit the subscribe button and the like button. Now, as a result, the Amazon App Store on Windows and all applications and games dependent on WSA will no longer be supported beginning March 5th, 2025. If you currently use Android apps from the Amazon App Store, then you'll continue to have access to these past the support cutoff date, but you won't be able to download any new ones once Microsoft makes its Android subsystem end of life next year. On March 6th, which is, it passed, right? Windows 11 users will no longer be able to search for Amazon App Store or associated Android apps from the Microsoft Store. It's a surprise move after Microsoft has been continually updating its Windows subsystem for Android over the past few years. Amazon says it will deliver a smooth end of support experience for developers and customers of Amazon App Store on Windows 11 alongside Microsoft. From a cybersecurity perspective, why do you think that Windows 11 would get rid of the Android apps? Is it that big of a deal to keep them on? What is the underlying thing that's happening here? What precedent do you think that sets up moving forward? Please let me know what you think in the comment section below, because it's kind of strange to me that they would take this kind of stance, or why would they remove and what is this Android discrimination, right? What is this Android discrimination? So let's push the conversation forward. What do you think about that? Please let me know in the comment section below. So we have a statement and it reads, we love our statements. Developers will no longer be able to submit net new apps targeting Windows 11 after March 5th, 2024, but developers with existing app can continue to submit app updates until Amazon App Store on Windows 11 is fully discontinued, says Amazon. Android apps on Windows 11 originally seemed like Microsoft's answer to Apple's progress with its M1 chips and running iOS apps on macOS. Microsoft partnered with Amazon, but without official access to Google's Play Store, it was always a subpar experience. If you just wanted to easily download popular Android apps on Windows, that's probably a big part of the reason Microsoft has chosen to simply ward off its Android apps on Windows 11. So they're talking about subpar experiences. That's why they just want to get it off. I think it's something deeper, guys. I think it's something deeper. But when it comes to legalities and things of that nature, who knows, right? Who knows? But please take a moment to hit the subscribe button. Please take a moment to hit the like button. Also, please hit the notification bell and share this content so we can have this conversation at a global scale. Oh, I also want to say I appreciate your viewership and thank you for the support. See you on the next video.